which kind of professionals are involved with the pressure testing? The pressure testing is not responsibility, as per standard, is not the responsibility of the chemical process engineer, but there are many professionals involved with that. Some of them are the supervisors of the field construction. We can have also inspectors. We need to have mechanical guys to do the adjustments of the testing. And although the chemical process engineer is not responsible, most often is not responsible for the test, the chemical engineer has an important actuation for the definition of the set points to do the test. The chemical process engineer is responsible for defining the operation conditions for a plant. Based on that, I will define my pressure design. And the pressure testing is based on the design conditions of a plant.